everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to manage notifications on Tagged. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Tagged application. Tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner. Tap on Settings icon. Now onto this notifications, tap on Push option. And from here you can easily manage notifications, whether you want to turn it off or you want to turn it on, and that is how you can easily manage notifications on Tagged. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.